What did I get myself into today? Nothing much.
Okay guys, we're back with the Camaro. I needed a little bit of a break because in 2 days I pulled the Chevelle motor out and then I pulled the Le Mans motor out. We got to pull this motor out. So to do that correctly and as warm as possible, I'm going to try and get as much of this snow off the car as I can so we can get it pushed into the garage. And we have the garage light directly over the engine bay because we have a nice bright light in there. So that makes more sense. Today, we're going to do stuff smarter, not harder. So don't get used to that because this is just a one-day thing. I'm going to try to get this car to start up. I tried to start this thing up 2 different days. A couple days ago, it would not fire up, even with the charged battery and fuel. There's an issue with oil getting into the cylinders. So bad valve seals or valve guides. I'm thinking valve seals because I put them in years ago. And number one spark plug, took it out, checked how fouled it was, and there was actually oil dripping from the plug. I checked this a couple weeks ago, but yeah, that's why this thing runs so rich, and that's why the plugs go fouled immediately, because it's burning oil. This motor got to come out, flat camshaft. It's really not making this thing run at all, so this motor is dead at the moment. It's getting in. We're going to bring it to Uncle Pat's and get this bottom end checked out. Has good oil pressure, so we're good there. But the worn out cam, I don't know if that metal has gotten to the bearings or in the filter, so I really don't want to run this thing anymore. It's getting pulled out before it makes things worse. So let's get the shovel. This stuff is pretty hard, so it's kind of a nightmare. Hey, I'm pretty good at waxing up and waxing off, so. Why did they put it in front of the car? I gotta shovel that. Alright, just put the battery in. Terminals are tight. This thing is kind of kicking back. The starter wants to spin, doesn't pop out. That could be a voltage issue, or the starter solenoid is starting to shit the bed from just over usage, and it's just my goon luck. So we got fuel to the car, it's sprayed, so I pumped it once. Let's give it a shot. Alright guys, one last chance before this thing goes into the garage, and forever will be the last time trying to fire this motor up. Thanks for the motivation, Pat. We got this thing out, and honestly, what are the odds that this thing's gonna go back together and I'm not gonna be just fed up and feel like this car is just a bad omen? So, we never know. But we got this out. Gonna take the trans off because I might actually be getting rid of that or keeping it as an extra, because this car, factory 4-speed, rally sport car, we're gonna make this car a 4-speed again. So, I thought I had the 4-link bracket on here, but it doesn't. But we're gonna push this thing back into the spot, and that's its final temporary, rest place. So get that back there, clean up a little bit, and hopefully the subframe we're also gonna get rid of too, because I found the stock one with the factory location, front horns, so we can get rid of the square tubing. So we're gonna have to cut this roll cage flush, then re-weld it, but that's for obviously way later on. We still got that thing we got to resume to next. So now we're gonna have quite a bit of a garage full of room to start taking off body panels off that and get ready to primer, bodywork, door jambs, and all that stuff. Get ready for that. But let's push this bad omen back into its spot and start taking this thing apart.